Namaste Suchitrans. A warm welcome to our June edition of Suchitra TV Bulletin, bringing you the highlights of learning, leadership, language, innovation and culture. I am Prisha and today we'll take you through some remarkable moments that made the past few weeks truly special at Suchitra. Let's begin with a new chapter at Suchitra Academy.
At Suchitra Academy, we believe that innovation and technology go hand in hand to shape meaningful education. We are proud to have received 2 prestigious awards for excellence in innovative teaching and learning practices and outstanding technology-enabled school. This double recognition by the Economics Times Education Excellence Awards 2025 is a testament to our unwavering commitment to reimagining teaching and learning, where curiosity is nurtured, creativity is celebrated, and technology is purposefully integrated to empower every learner. Together, we continue to create a future-ready learning community, driven by values, vision, and the courage to lead change.
This year, we are being joined by Dr. Radhika Srinivasan as our new principal, and we are excited to welcome ma'am on campus. Her journey is a blend of excellence in leadership and passion for education. Let's take a look at her inspiring welcome video. Wow, that was such a heartwarming welcome. We also had the wonderful opportunity to interact with our principal in an exclusive interview. From her educational philosophy to her hobbies and what truly inspires her, here's a glimpse into the person leading our school forward. Let's have a look at the interview. Over to Dhruti.
Thank you, Presha. Namaste, Suchitrans. I am Dhruti, and joining me today is somebody very special. Our new principal, Dr. Radhika Srinivasan.
Namaste, Dhruti. Pleasure to be here on Radio Suchitra and Suchitra TV.
We are so happy to have you here with us, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dr. Srinivasan brings 3 decades of leadership experience from schools like the Billabong High and the Sri Ram Universal School. She has a PhD in education and a heart for progressive and inclusive learning. She believes that schools should be a joyful place where students can grow not only academically, but also into kind and confident individuals. So without any further ado, let's get on with the discussion. So Dr. Srinivasan, namaste again and
Namaste.
Welcome to Suchitra.
Thank you.
To start things off, how are you liking Suchitra so far?
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm enjoying the green expanse. I'm enjoying the peace and quiet, which is quite different from Mumbai, where I was born and raised. So I'm truly enjoying it.
We are really happy that you're enjoying it here, ma'am. We would like to know more about you beyond the role of a principal. So what are some hobbies or interests that help you unwind and, stay inspired?
I love reading, and you can see from the expanse of books in my office that reading takes up a lot of my time. Definitely reading has become a little bit misplaced by Netflix and OTT, I must say, but deep down I'm a trekker and a mountaineer. I've done a lot of trekking in the lower Himalayas, off Kulu, of Uttarakhand, and I want to stay fit because my next attempt is going to be the Everest Base Camp.
Oh, wow.
I'm prepping for it, and maybe I'm going to have a student gang with me when I attempt this. Maybe there would be a group of Suchitrans willing to go with me on to this trek. So I love nature, I love the mountains. I've traveled to a lot of tiger sanctuaries to see the tigers in the wild, and that's an experience. So on my travel wish list is Kenya, Tanzania for the Big Five, the Everest Base Camp. So I have a long list of things that I would like to do. Top of the list is trekking and mountaineering.
I have to say, we are very excited to do this with you. We're all really pumped, and it's really inspiring to hear how you're staying connected with your passions. Speaking of passions and connections, here at Suchitra, we value one-on-one connection very much. So how do you plan on maintaining and building these connections with students and teachers here?
So I think definitely I have already stepped into classes. I'm having my meals with different groups of students over the past few days that I've been here, and I'm hoping that these lunchtime conversations, these corridor conversations and in classroom conversations is going to help me connect to students. There's magic in classrooms, and I'm going to step into classrooms, and definitely that's going to be my way of connecting with students. Also, maybe you can take it back to the student population that I have an open door policy, no appointments needed, no schedules needed. You can walk into my space whenever you feel that you need to talk to me. So do take it back to the student community. Yes, that I'm open and available to have these conversations.
Definitely, ma'am. Now, that is such a wonderful way of bringing people together and making connections, ma'am. And now moving forward, as we start this new year, is there any message you want to give to all the parents, teachers and students tuning in?
So I think Suchitra's has a legacy for itself, has been established as a very progressive school, as a very warm school. So I'm hoping to keep those cultural aspects alive. I'm still too new. I'm not going to be making any major changes, but yes, a few sustainability tweaks perhaps. I'm looking to put that in place. Suchitra is doing a great job with activities, with exploring possibilities for new initiatives, and there is an openness which I think is great, and I'm just going to reinforce some of those. And brand Suchitra is great, so I only want to add on to that.
Thank you so much for that message, ma'am. It will definitely resonate within all of us. Thank you, Dr. Srinivasan, once again for giving us time and sharing your thoughts with us on this platform. We are really happy to have you here, and we look forward to growing and learning under your guidance.
Thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaste. Over to the studio.
Thank you, Kruti. It was a wonderful interaction. Moving on, the Suchitra Summer Camp 2025 was an unforgettable adventure for our learners from senior KG to grade 12. With a wide range of activities, laughter-filled mornings and creative explorations, it was a space for skill building and friendship. The camp was held from May 1st to May 24th and welcomed Suchitrans and non-Suchitrans alike. Here are some vibrant glimpses from the camp.
I am learning here football. It is very happy to learn here. It makes me learn more. This year's summer camp has been quite exciting, especially with the swimming that I learnt in this camp. I learnt it very quickly in this camp and I'm thinking of joining next year.
I'm enjoying this summer camp. I learned swimming from the summer camp and I'll join next year also in the summer camp.
I enjoyed the summer camp. I have learned keyboard from Dexter sir and I will join the Suchitra summer camp next year. I enjoyed it.
I am in the DIY session and I made this beautiful wall hanging with the newspaper and I am enjoying this session.
My activities are football, Western dance and art. I am enjoying my activities a lot. I want to apply next year also.
I'm really enjoying this summer camp as I learned many new things from this Western dance session. Thank you, Suchitra Academy.
I am learning Western dance and I am enjoying this summer camp. Thank you, Suchitra Academy.
Suchitra Academy takes pride in being the host school for IEEE YesIS 12 Junior Einstein track on 17 June for the 5th consecutive year. This global initiative encourages students to solve real-world problems using sustainable technology. In 2025-26, our school had 60 registrations with 15 innovative teams covering 10 SDG goals and bringing their ideas to this platform by presenting to the jury. Shortlisted teams will be participating in the grand finale, which will be at Malaysia IEEE UKM student branch on 23rd and 24th August 2025. Finalist teams are Terra Tech Titans, Mirai Tech from Suchitra Academy, and Team Alt Elites from Sadhu Vaswani School. The event jury featured tech experts like Mr. Sai Prashant, adjunct faculty and student affairs of Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and Mr. Sharad Chandra Nirmala, our alumni who is a full-stack engineer at Fidelity Investments, appreciated the depth and creativity of our student solutions.
to see the young chaps about the ideas and everything that has been explored from the various track that has been there into the terms of SDGs. So we wish that this program should be continued at the Suchitra Academy, and we hope that all the students of the not only Suchitra, all the community should be able to explore this.
I would have to say I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the projects that came through. Especially some of them are, they can be pursued as startups honestly, because the quality of these prototypes, they just have to be refined a little, and all the students have to do is worry about how they're going to sell their products to the market. So it has been a very positive experience.
On third place, we have all elites.
We are the Alt Elites and we were delighted to participate in this very well organized hackathon, and we have secured the third place, and we are so grateful, and we are going back with a lot of mentorship and more ideas on ways to improve.
Second place, we have Mirai Tech.
I would like to thank all the jury members and my mentors for taking me through it.
First place goes to Terra Tech title.
Our experience here was nerve-wracking. We learned a lot about STEM as well as collaboration.
We learned a lot about the importance of agricultural and the entire field as a whole.
We promote sportsmanship, and before the presentation, our goal was to do it nicely.
I learned a lot about engineering, different modules and everything. So even if we had not won, I would be extremely happy that I learned what I did, and the experience was extremely unforgettable.
Music has the power to connect hearts, and on World Music Day, our school echoed with rhythm and harmony. Students and teachers came together during the celebration in musical performances that celebrated global melodies and soulful tunes. Suchitrans bent, stretched and breathed in sync with the world on International Yoga Day throughout the week from 16 to 23rd June. Emphasizing the importance of wellness and mindfulness. Our school conducted yoga sessions that left everyone rejuvenated. From innovation to expression, movement to mindfulness, our Suchitrans are truly unstoppable. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Through Suchitrans' vibrant events, until next time, keep shining and keep inspiring. Namaste.